Hi guys, today we start with another function of text, which is text after. If you remember, last time we have seen text before. Text after is exactly opposite to text before function. In text before, we got the text which was prior to a specific delimiter in this function, whereas text after retrieves anything which is after the delimiter. Exactly opposite to what text before does. Yeah. So text after functions retrieve the text after matching the delimiter character or text either from the front or rear side of the text string. Yeah. The text after function is not available in the older versions, as I have told you earlier as well. These are specific functions and these are modified advanced functions for ease or more complicated usage. Yeah. And as we know, Excel keeps on bringing in new functions. So these are some of the new functions included in Microsoft 360. Yeah. By default, this function is case sensitive. So you can have a match mode as an argument as we have done earlier. So this function also have the same uh, arguments as we have for text before. So let me again go through those arguments. So you have the function called text after. Then you have the text that needs to be worked upon to get your modified text or the text after a delimiter. Then the delimiter. Then you have the instance number. So which is the instance that you're looking out for according to the delimiter that you have specified. Match mode, again, if you want to make it case sensitive or insensitive, you need to add match mode. Match end, this value can be 0 or 1. 0 for no match to end and 1 for match to end. By default, 0 is used. It considered the text rear as a delimiter. Yeah, so you'll not look into match end because nobody uses it. Yeah, if not found, again, any message that you want to specify if that particular delimiter is not found, or it will give you an error. Yeah, let's run this using the same examples that we have used earlier. So text before, we'll see an example. So I'm searching for anything which is after A, the alphabet A, the first instance of A. So I'll specify text after and press enter. You'll find it is giving me all the characters or the entire text which is after A. That is first occurrence of A. This is the second occurrence of A. So if I specify the instance as 2, if I specify instance as 2, you'll find it is giving me that text after the second instance of A. So this was first instance, this was second instance, and I'm getting the text, all the text which is after second instance. Now let's see what happens if I specify the third instance. It should give me this LYZES, lysis. So let's see whether it happens the same way. Yes. So hope you understood how it is used. Let's see if I use the same formula for a capital letter. Yeah, it gives me an error, as I have told you earlier. In order to make it case insensitive, I need to specify, I need to leave this as blank because this was for instance number. Yeah, we know the third position is for instance number, fourth is for match mode. So if I specify 1, it will give me the text without considering the letter or delimiter, whether it is in upper letter or upper caps or lower caps. Yeah, I can have space as a delimiter as well, where the match mode does not matter at all. It will still give me this output. Yeah, I can have multiple delimiters. So I can have text after, After I specify A5 space and A both, it is giving me this particular output. We have seen the number of instances. Let's see if I specify the number of delimiters more than actually the instance to be more than actually available in the text. So I'll say text after A11, I'm searching for E, and I'm searching for the fourth instance, which is not available. So it acts as the same what we had for text before and gives me an error. Same way, if I am not able to find a particular text, so here I am searching for X within this particular text. We know why we have kept this blank, because this is instance which I'm not specifying right now. This is match mode. Again, I'm not specifying right now. Again, this is match end, which I'm not specifying. I'm interested in if I'm not able to find this particular delimiter, what should be the output or error message that needs to be shown. So if not found, it will give me error that the delimiter is not found. Yeah. So pretty simple way, it acts as the same way as what text before. So if you know one of this either function, it is pretty simple to know the other function. Yeah, because the functionalities are same, the way of working are same. The only difference is it text before gives you text before a specific delimiter, and text after gives you text after the delimiter. Hope I was able to make the concepts clear about these two functions. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. And moreover, it will keep me motivated to create such free contents for your people to learn free of cost. Yeah. Thank you so much.